Hi everyone, welcome to Kimber Creations. It's me, Kim, and I'm here with a little bit of share with you. I recently come across this company called Brandless, and I wanted to check them out. I've come across them through Facebook one day, actually just a few days ago, because their shipping takes 3 to 5 business days, and I received it today. They sell high quality products, and they cut the middleman out so that they just ship it directly to you, and to save money that way instead of buying in stores and paying that extra person type thing. And then also they help feed the hungry through a partnership that they have with Feeding America. All their items are $3 each, no matter what it is. And what else can I tell you that I am aware of? You can sign up for like a membership program, and it's like $36 a year. And then they'll donate 10 meals to that Feeding America. Plus, then every time that you order, they'll send 2 more meals to that. And because otherwise, every time that you order, I should say that they send a meal. But if you're in that membership program, then they send 2 meals to that. Let me see, what else do I know? It's like organic, gluten-free, and vegan items. And plus, if you're in the membership, I believe, then you get free shipping then on all of your Brandless orders. So that's kind of what I know about it so far. I'm still doing a little bit of research, but I had some Christmas stuff in mind. Some people might think it's kind of corny, but I like doing baskets and stuff. Our family loves to eat. Just truth be told. And especially, and it's so hard sometimes to buy for people. So I like putting food baskets together, and especially like our kids, and they really enjoy that. So as part of their, gifts, we try to do food baskets or gift cards and, gift certificates and things to go out to eat and things like that. So that's kind of part of that's what some of this is. And then trying to get ready for Christmas, and then some of this is for our own personal use. But anyway, let me get back to the box. When I opened it, it was all really cool, and I wished I would have showed that part, but I didn't want a whole lot of rattling of the papers and stuff. But first thing you see is this big envelope, and inside of it you will have your packing slip. And then I don't know if this is all the time or just this time, but they had a postcard, and then you can share, with friend or family that way. And then there was this little like welcome card and a little note, from the company. And I don't know if you can read that or not, but it's just basically kind of what I said before. And they have like 300 or more items in their I don't know if you call it a shop or what you call it, but website or whatever. But anyway, so I'm going to get to the products that I chose for this time around, and just to give you an idea of what things look like when you get them. And so this is what the packaging looks like for the gluten-free pizza crust mix, and this is Italian herb, and it will make 2 crusts. It's a 10-ounce bag. And then you also get the extra virgin olive oil. And I should say that this kit, I think it was like, what, $25, $27 or something. You can buy them separately, but it was just much easier to have the kit for me and not have to worry about if I miss something. And you can of tomato sauce. Here is some spice jars. I thought they were really cute. This is a 4-pack. They're just little spice jars. You know, they have the 2 different openings. You know, the wide mouth part and then the shaker. Let me see if I can do that. The little shaker part. So I could, you know, take that kit and divide it up even more if I want to or whatever. Not really sure how I'm going to do all that yet. But and then it come with a, let's see, this is a 0.7 ounce bag of Italian seasoning. It has all of the what you need to know on the back and the expiration date, which is, I think, good till 2020. Crushed red pepper. This is 1.7 ounces. And then they have a package of chili flake and garlic spice blend. And this is a 1.5 ounce bag. So you can take your bags and put them in those spice jars if you want, or you know, use your jars that you already have maybe. Also with that kit, I got a cheese grater, really nice cheese grater. And they're really heavy duty. Really like the feel of them and everything. And then this big pizza cutter. So that's that. So for myself and hubby, I purchased these like to-go cups, and it comes with the cups and the little cozies and the lids, and it's a 10 count. So I wanted to try those. And then got some sunflower oil and another bottle of the extra virgin olive oil and the balsamic vinaigrette dressing. You can see there. And this is a 12 ounce bottle. And it feels really heavy too. And then some virgin coconut oil. And that's a 10 ounce little jar of that. And then since my order was, I believe, $40, then I received a 2-pack of their organic cotton dishcloths. And the dishcloths are 12 by 12. So, you know, nice size, but I believe I'll probably possibly put those in a gift as well later on. So that is my little share, and I hope I gave you enough information to go by to, if you're interested in checking them out. I am really pleased. Not only I wished I would have saved like how they packaged everything. It was very nicely packaged, and that, you know, it's nice sizes and everything for your money, you know, and so, and it's also help feeding the hungry. So I'm going to leave you with that. Go check them out. It's brandless.com. I'll try to put the link below, but if you, like I said, if you just put brandless.com in, you'll have no problems finding it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave comments and tell me what you think of what I purchased. And also, if you're not a subscriber to my channel yet, come along, and hope you enjoy what you see. And so with that, I'm going to go, and we will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.